Decoding the phrase, a bad bet. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the English phrase, a bad bet. If you've ever been puzzled by this expression or unsure of how to use it, then this video is for you. First and foremost, let's split the phrase. Bad. This is an adjective which means not good or of poor quality. Bet, in its literal sense, this noun refers to an amount of money placed as a wager, typically in gambling. When combined, a bad bet doesn't literally mean a poor quality wager in gambling. Instead, it's a metaphorical phrase used in everyday conversation. In English, a bad bet is often used to describe something or someone that is not a good choice or likely to fail. It suggests uncertainty, unpredictability, or a decision that might not yield positive results. For instance, if someone said, investing all your money in that startup might be a bad bet, they are warning you that it may not be a wise decision and there's a risk involved. To help you understand better, here are some examples. 1. Relying on him for the project might be a bad bet. He's known to be unreliable. 2. The critics say that the new movie is a bad bet for an award this year. 3. Buying a car without checking its history is a bad bet. From the examples, you can see that the phrase can be used in a variety of situations, not just related to money or gambling. There you have it. Now you know what a bad bet means and how to use it in your conversations. English is filled with such intriguing phrases, and understanding them can make your language journey even more exciting. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember, every phrase you learn makes your English richer and more nuanced. Happy learning!